Namaste students. In this session we are going to study about the organ system of human body. Introduction. A cell is the basic structural and functional unit of an organism. So many cells combine together and form tissue. Tissues forms an organ forms the organ system. So we are going to study about organ system in detail. So these are the organs seen in a human body. Example: eyes, teeth, lungs, liver, skin, brain, heart, stomach, kidney, intestine. So these are all some of the organs seen in a human body. So types of organ system. There are many types of organ system in human being. They are digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, skeletal system, muscular system, excretory system, nervous system and reproductive system. The first one is the digestive system. So digestive system is the process where the digestion takes place. Here the food material is broken down into small pieces to obtain energy. So the first digestion takes place in the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is nothing but your mouth, where the food materials are broken down into small pieces mechanically with the help of teeth. The next one is food pipe or esophagus. After chewing, the food is swallowed through the food pipe and then it will move to the stomach. So the next is the stomach. It receives the food from food pipe at the one end and opens into the intestine. So in stomach, the process of digestion takes place. So stomach will secrete some secretions and grind the food into smaller particles. The next is the small intestine. So it receives the secretion from liver and pancreas. So the liver will secrete bile juice and pancreas will secrete the pancreatic juice, which helps in the digestion of fat. Large intestine. So here absorption takes place. Here the absorption of water, salt will be absorbed and the rest, that is the remaining undigested food, will remain and it will move to the rectum and it will remain in the rectum for some time and externally it will be removed out through anus. Anus. The feces matter, that is your waste material, is removed from the body with the help of anus. The next system is respiratory system. So respiration is nothing but exchange of gases between the environment and an organism. So this is the process of respiration. So the respiration includes the following organs. They are nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs and inside the lungs alveoli. The first one is, what is a respiration? So as I said before, respiration is the process of exchange of gases. Here oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. The first is nose. It is only the externally visible part of respiration. So other parts are not externally visible. So this nose has an external nares. Through this external nares, they take up the gas inside. Then the external nares will open into the nasal cavity and here it acts as the link between the external larynx and pharynx. The nasal cavity leads into an organ called pharynx. From pharynx, the air will be passed on to larynx. So larynx produces sound. So since it produces sound, it also called as voice box. The opening of pharynx into larynx is guarded by the valve called epiglottis. So this epiglottis, since the foot pipe and the windpipe has the common opening where larynx. So this epiglottis is guarded. So the air will pass through the windpipe and food will pass through the food pipe. So this epiglottis will move accordingly. When we breathe, it will open the larynx. When we eat the food, it will open the food pipe. So this is the epiglottis acts as a guard between the larynx. Windpipe. So the windpipe is also called as trachea. It is 12 cm in length and 2.5 cm in diameter. The windpipe is again divided into two parts called bronchi, and which enters the lungs. Bronchi and bronchioles. So the windpipe is divided into bronchi, and this bronchi is again subdivided into smaller regions, that is called your bronchioles. The next one is lungs. So the lung is the soft region which is guarded by the membrane, and it is rich in blood vessels. And in lungs, a small sac-like structure called alveoli is present, where the exchange of gases takes place, where the oxygen is utilized and carbon dioxide is given. So the exchange of gases takes place in the alveoli of the lungs, and this lung is guarded by the chest cavity, that is inside the rib this lungs are guarded. So the next system is skeletal system. So skeleton is nothing but bones. So the skeleton gives the proper shape to a body. So with skeleton, the body is rigid and it protects the internal organs. Without skeleton, there will not be any protection for inner organs and the body will not be rigid. The skeleton. The human body has 206 bones as in adults, whereas in young born there will be 300 bones. Over 230 movable and semi-movable joints are seen in the body. So the bones are connected with one another with the ligament. Organs are protected by the skeleton. The brain is protected by the skull. The heart, liver, lungs are protected by the ribs and sternum. So we have studied about the digestive system, respiratory system and skeletal system. We shall see the next system in further classes.